In this video, we're going to talk about how you can set up your logistics in your TikTok Shop Seller Center. So in there, first head over to your TikTok Shop Seller Center, and once you're there, you should be able to notice the left-hand sidebar right here. From in there, click on Logistics. Now, from in there, you can see warehouses, fulfillment, and shipping. So let's tackle them one by one. So for the warehouses, you can input right here dedicated warehouse. You can see right here the warehouse that you have and add a new warehouse if you want to as well. Now let's head over right here into the fulfillment. Let's head over and click on this. From in there, you can see your label creation and printing as well as document format options, handover method settings, as well as receipt generation method. You can input right here a number, input right here your pickup if you want handover methods and shipping labels for document format. You can also edit right here the label creation. Now let's head over to shipping. You can input right here how it's gonna be shipped, like next day delivery options, as well as COD, as well as providers for those. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.